All right, so we're looking at combining functions to write as one function. Now, I went through these and I tried to figure out whether when they say combining, basically you just take the two functions, and we have the one function here, we have the other function here, and we're going to combine those two functions together. And essentially that means just writing them as one. And if we read this, a car company charges so much to rent the car. So this is just the standard charge, this first one here. And then it offers insurance. So that's an additional cost. So when you rent a car, you have to pay more for that other car. So they want us to figure out how much is it going to cost for both of those, combining both those together. And if we read that, and we need to be careful, we need to make sure we understand that we're combining both those together. So I'm going to take this function and I'm going to add it to this function. And what we'll do is we'll add together the m's and we'll add together the other numbers and we'll get our equation. So I'll do that off here, off to my side here. I can still see my equations. So I have, basically I'm doing my S, which equals 1575 plus 0.40m. And I'm going to add that to my I. And this will give me my total cost per mile. So basically I'm just going to go add. And this kind of worked out for me because I have my my number that doesn't have the x or the variable together, and then I'm going to add my variable number together. Okay, do I erase that out there? So I get my calculator out, and I go ahead and add straight down. I get 2145, and then 0.4 plus 0.25, that's 0.65 m. I put a equals there, I didn't mean to put equals. Okay, so that's adding. So that's what adding those together would be, and that's our total cost, our new function that they asked us to make. And that would be the answer. So if I hit explanation on this, just to have that checked, I scroll all the way down, you'll see that that's the answer that they were looking for, was that C equals. Let us know if you have any other questions.